Hello guys, my name is Rai Zee. This video is about how to update your PHP in your WordPress website. If you have a notification on your website, update your site is running and outdated version of PHP that is no longer support and so on. If you have this notification on your website, don't worry. In this video I will show you how to update your PHP from 5.3 to latest version. Let's start video. This is our dashboard. Now we are gonna do our hosting. As you know, as you see, I am using hosting via HostGator and launch your cPanel. Loading your cPanel, and this interface of your hosting cPanel. Now simply go to software, and then click on, we are finding PHP updater or selector. This is PHP selector. Select on this and now select default to 7.1 and click on update. Account PHP updated. The PHP file extension will be processed and PHP 7.1 for this account, and then click on back. Now you can see by default and your currently configuration uses PHP 7.1. Now update your dashboard.